Our goal is to continue the treatment until we have evidence that there is no detectable cancer based on the radiographic findings and clinical examination. Hopefully we can achieve that goal, and if she gets to a point that cancer is completely eradicated from her system, we will watch her closely. She will have physical examinations every 3 months, perhaps some years, and we'll watch her very closely. Management of any cancer is a team effort. It's not just the physician nor the nurse. It's a team effort, and I think the captain of the team is the patient herself. In case of Leonila, she has been very, very upbeat about her treatments, and I think this was one of the major factors that made this treatment so effective for her. She has been very compliant with the treatment. Much credit goes to our clinical trial nurses. Both of them are clinical trial nurses, and they have been very, very instrumental in enrolling patients on the trials.